What? The guy who said it, Jack Daniels, the nighttime sniffling, sneezing how the shirt would be down to 0 cases in no time, despite health experts saying the opposite and told people to slow down testing so we looked like the cases were lower than they really were. Played down the virus? Unfortunately, I think that his followers will still follow him all the way down. They will just say this was faked or something else. Literally any excuse they can cook up. Trump made an informed decision to let Americans die by downplaying the virus. I have no idea how. As the leader of the country, this is not a crime. Thousands died due to his negligence. He's the worst of my. Jack Daniels, the nighttime sniffling, sneezing how the shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. I love the R conservative thread. Here is Jack Daniels, the nighttime sniffling, sneezing how the shirt, Trump outright saying he was downplaying the virus, and the entire thread is using vague Trump quotes to prove that Trump wasn't downplaying the virus, despite what Trump outright said. This isn't CNN saying Trump downplayed it. This is Trump himself saying it, and they're using Trump quotes to discredit what Trump said as misinformation. It doesn't get any crazier, folks. Trump isn't a political figure. He's a cult of other products.